Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to create an insert picture transparent in Microsoft Word. So let's started. At first, open your Word document file. Firstly, create insert transparent and firstly going to the insert menu option and click for the shape option. Now click for rectangle shape and draw a rectangle shape and picture transparent. Now click for the shape style option and shape fill, shape effect. Now format shape option. Now for click and click for the picture and texture fill option. Now for click. Then any picture is insert picture from. Now for click file option. Then any source picture. Now click for the insert option and transparency. This okay. Then I show the create and insert picture transparent in Microsoft Word. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.